ay yung mga voluntarily surrender di umano. So ang assumption pa nga dun ay malinis talaga yung proseso. Mr. Chair, kasi nasa section 4E, and I quote, any person suspected to be involved in illegal drug trafficking who denies or refuses the house-to-house visitation shall be referred to the anti-illegal drug units for immediate case build-up and negation. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang maipaliwanag ano po yung ibig sabihin ng negation?
Basically, it's just a word, Mr. Chairman, dahil madalas po yung word nga questionable, yung neutralization, negation, whatever you want to call it, it's basically just a police operation. Yun po ang ibig sabihin lang nun. Wala pong ibig sabihin na iba yun. It's just a police operation. They'll be subjected to police operations. Meaning, yung mga normal police operations po, intelligence build-up, and kung makakuha ka ng ebidensya, then you can conduct police investigations through bypass or probably apply for search warrant.
Mr. Chair, kapag hindi po kasi natin define ng maayos, malabo po yun eh. Pag sinabi nating negation, pwedeng ma-interpret na yan sa iba't ibang pamamaraan. Pwedeng halimbawa suspected, nagbebenta ng droga, tapos para mapigilan mo siya sa kanyang ginagawa kasi gusto mong i-prevent yun o i-negate yun, ang daming pwede interpretation at pwedeng kasama nun ay pagpatay. Kasi nga, as mentioned by the former PNP chief, hindi nila masasabi ano yung general na ginagawa. Kaya pwede talaga, iba-iba yung mangyari. At worst, ay pwedeng may mapatay talaga para lang manegate kung ano yung kanyang unang ginagawa, which is being suspected of being a drug pusher or kung ano pang bahagi dun sa drug trade. No? So, kung ganun, Mr. Chair, ang dating kasi ng ganitong proseso pa lang sa pagkakalatag ng CMC-16, series of 2016, ay para bang presumption ay guilty na kung sino man yung nasa listahan. Ang dating ay ang choice mo na lang ay mag-surrender ka at kung hindi ka mag-surrender, inenegate ka. No? At kung ano man yung interpretasyon na nun ng mga police sa iba't ibang areas. Mr. Chair, can we get the opinion of, say, the CHR on this? Kasi hindi po ba, halimbawa, kung meron tayong sapat na impormasyon na meron naman talagang involved sa illegal drug trade, hindi po ba dapat sana ay may warrant or magkaroon ng lawful arrest kaysa yung ganitong proseso? Can we get an opinion from the Commission on Human Rights?
Yes, Your Honor. On the part of the Commission on Human Rights, siguro we would like to emphasize, Your Honor, the right of every individual to due process of law. Nandyan ho yung batas at kung sila ay pinagsususpetsahan na drug user or drug pusher, gamitin ho yung batas. So they should be properly charged in court and be given their day in court. Yun po yung aming stand tungkol doon.
Kung ganun, Mr. Chair, ibig sabihin we have officials in government who are saying na merong questionable talaga dun sa guidelines pa lang. No? Kasi nga, pag sinabi nating negation, kahit nga po ang Philippine National Police, hindi ma-define ano po yung negation. At as it turns out, meron na po talagang mga napatay. At andito po ang mga relatives na mga victims na posibleng nadamay sila dun sa ganitong negation na hindi man lang talaga natin ma-describe ng maayos kung ano po ito. So ito, Mr. Chair, may isa pang term na actually at least three times, nabanggit din dito sa CMC 16, neutralization. So kung hindi po ma-define ano yung negation, baka po yung neutralization, ma-define po. So can we ask, ano naman po yung neutralization?
Again, Mr. Chairman, yung pong negation, whether it's negation or neutralization, hindi po ibig sabihin yan is yung sinasabi, how you interpret it, no? Kung talagang pong kasi yung sinasabi nyo, yun ang interpretation, how come we have arrested more than 300,000 people during that time also, compared to the 6,252 na alleged killings, no? So, hindi po yung negation is ibig niyang sabihin yung kung ano sinasabi nyo. It's just a general term, no? It's a general term that we commonly used in the Philippine national years ago, so many years ago. At wala pong interpretation yon na sinasabi na ganito ang gagawin. It's either you arrest or you do an operation within the limits of the law. Remember, nakakonsentrate po kasi tayo dito sa sinasabi nila doon sa processing. If you will notice also on page 17 of this memorandum circular, maliwanag po doon sa sinasabi, doon sa page 17, under letter E, that all operations shall conform with the provisions of RA 9165, the rules of court, and strictly observe the rights of the accused enshrined in the Bill of Rights under the Philippine Constitution and allied laws, rules and regulations, as well as internationally accepted principles of international laws, public policy, and with due observance of human rights. So, hindi po ito sinasabi, yung negation, it's siguro kung sino ang nag-i-interpret nito. But we do not interpret that negation as one-sided, Mr. Chairman.